Hi there, this is Java Jim with First Line Equipment, and today we're going to go over how to determine if you have a bad electric solenoid valve or solenoid in your espresso machine. And you'll find these valves either right behind the group head for group heads that don't have a manual valve, and typically you'll find it in a boiler refill valve location where it controls the water flow going into the boiler for refilling it. Sometimes you'll find it on a inbound water line, which is a two-way valve going in and out. And these can go bad because of bad water. Okay, and when I say bad water, I mean ones with limescale. So this just came off of a machine in here for repair. And if you look closely, there's limescale on the surface, okay? And this is not a three-way valve. This is a two-way, in and out. A three-way valve will have a spigot like kind of right here with a plunger. So, and there is a plunger inside of here, and they are removable, most of them, by removing this nut, but we're not going to go there. As you can see, this solenoid valve has to be replaced, or at least this portion of it. Now, this solenoid was inside or on this valve itself, and there's a sneaky way to determine if this is good or bad. And before we go there, I'm going to start. When you have a leak like this, usually it'll trip your GFI. So if your GFI outlet is tripping, sometimes it's because the water is getting to this solenoid. And even though there's plastic in here, for some reason it finds its way and trips the GFI. Okay, not necessarily a new machine, an older machine. Limescale can also clog the hole in here. That's the little hole where it's passing through. But to test this, let's get back here. You will need an electrical plug, and this is at your own risk. We're not responsible for any personal injuries, liabilities, or any damages that this may occur. So please be careful. If you don't know what you're doing, don't do this, but this is a way to test the solenoid in your valve. So you'll have a cord, okay? This was like almost like if you have an extra cord from an old computer, slice it. You're gonna put some terminals and terminal protectors, female, on here. And most important is that you do have the ground, and try to test it on a GFI outlet for your personal safety. We're gonna put the ground on that one there, okay? And then the black and white will go on here. Okay, I've done this many times. If you feel to be a little more safe, wear dual ply or strong rubber gloves. You are not going to touch this section here. You're not going to touch the metal here, because if there's a short in here, you don't want to electrocute yourself. That's why GFI might be better. I don't want you to have a heart attack either, or some type of personal injury, because we're not responsible. This is at your own risk. You're going to hold it like right here, again, rubber gloves, and you're going to plug it in real quick, and you should feel a click or a buzz. On this one, I felt nothing. Okay, a click or a buzz. If you feel nothing, usually means the solenoid is bad. And that's what happened here. Then first you're going to unplug it, and then you can remove these, and you know that the solenoid itself is bad. Okay, so one, looking for leaks. Two, you're checking the solenoid. Sometimes these are sold separately, but it's better just to buy the whole thing brand new and then insert it. And this is basically how you determine if you're going to need a new solenoid, a whole new solenoid valve for your espresso machine. And especially if you're looking for a GFI. Okay, and actually, guess what? I left it in for about 30 seconds. I can feel this is warm. Okay, but if you feel a click, you know this is good. Once again, Java Jim with First Line Equipment. As I always say, coffee first, everything else second. But actually, before coffee, please make sure you give us a thumbs up. So subscribe to our social media channels, which is plenty of them. And hopefully you learned something today, and have a wonderful day and get that espresso machine working.